The Amazfit Active 2 is a budget-friendly smartwatch that offers a robust set of features typically found in more expensive models. Design and build. The Active 2 features a classic round design with a stainless steel case, giving it a premium look and feel. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear, making it suitable for all-day use. The premium version includes a leather strap and sapphire glass, enhancing durability and aesthetics. Display. Equipped with a 1.32-inch AMOLED touchscreen, the Active 2 offers vibrant colors and sharp clarity. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, the display remains easily readable even under direct sunlight. Features. Packed with over 160 workout modes, the Active 2 caters to a wide range of fitness activities. It includes advanced health sensors for monitoring heart rate, sleep, and stress levels. Performance. The Active 2 delivers smooth performance with responsive touch controls and efficient navigation. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 10 days with continuous health monitoring, depending on usage. Overall, the Amazfit Active 2 stands out as a feature-rich smartwatch at an affordable price point. Its combination of design, functionality, and performance makes it a strong contender in the budget smartwatch market. Thank you so much.